Okay, so your conviction in BitTensor is what brought me into this ecosystem, what brought me into DSV. You said that it could be like Ethereum was back in 2017. Expand on that for me. Tell me a little about why you think that's the case.
So my investment mental framework is that I always look for growing mountains or virgin landscapes and ecosystems. If you go back to the 60s to 80s, the virgin landscape was coding. Anyone that nailed that became billionaires. Then the virgin landscape in the 90s was the internet. Anyone that nailed that became billionaires. And you have all of these virgin landscapes and ecosystems of varying scale. And Ethereum was a growing mountain within a growing mountain. So all of a sudden it launched its Ethereum platform, ERC20 tokens, and anyone around the world could build a decentralized app on Ethereum. And so that was a mini virgin landscape within a growing mountain, which was crypto, which until 2023 is the fastest growing industry ever. And now BitTensor, I think, is having that Ethereum moment right now. So if you look at the chart price action, if you took the Ethereum price action throughout all of 2017 and superimpose that onto BitTensor right now, or Tau, it's identical. It's like a 95% fit. So it's looking pretty bullish. And also now anyone can create an independent AI startup under BitTensor, and it's sort of the way that the protocol works. It's like a incubation, an AI incubator, like Y Combinator, but decentralized. So it enables these AI startups to get some form of funding to get going, and then they can spool up something and use the services of other subnets to make things better, faster, cheaper. And so centralized for-profit AI or just centralized AI just cannot compete at all.